I am offering my head on the chomping block. They can chomp my head for this, and I will see to it that the writing is done.
Mr. CHRAJ, in an interview with Love News, says management took this decision at a time when the hospital's escalators have broken down and some staff bonuses have not been paid. Escalators in all Komfo Anokye's high-rise wards have broken down for weeks, with the exception of the B block. All patients who need attention will have to be lifted through these stairs and wheeled physically across wards to their expected destination. Logistics, consumables, materials, and bodies to the morgue go through the same route in a hospital which is in dire need of repairs. It is against this background that Awuni CHRAJ is questioning the procurement of 2 luxurious vehicles for Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital's Chief Executive Officer and Medical Director.
We were told in the performance review by the Chief Executive that all directorates of the hospital have incurred losses. Cumulative losses of these directorates, according to him, was in the region of 6.2 million cedis. If we were in such a difficulty, where else did they get the money to buy those vehicles, if not the COVID funds?
Mr. CHRAJ says he is willing to support a CHRAJ investigation with evidence to prove these vehicles were bought with COVID-19 donations to the hospital.
CHRAJ is vested with such an authority under Section 7 of the Act that establishes it. And I want CHRAJ to investigate that purchase.
CHRAJ has so been petitioned to investigate the medical director of Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital, Professor Bafo Kofi Opoku, for abuse of office.
The medical director gave our official vehicle, one of the luxurious vehicles, to his wife, and the wife got an accident with it. I feel that constitutes an abuse of public office. It also constitutes a betrayal of the trust of the public. I feel that in order to boost public confidence, so that the public would be assured that any time they donate to the hospital, it could be used for the proper purposes to enhance health delivery, it be proved.
Management of Komfo Anokye will not immediately comment on the petition. A management source, however, told Love News the allegations are false. The source explained the hospital's board of directors in 2019 approved the purchase of official vehicles for the chief executive officer and medical director. According to the source, the purchase was done in installments with internally generated funds approved by the Ministry of Health and through the procurement processes. The hospital notes that all items bought with the COVID-19 donations have been accounted for. The source added one of the vehicles that was involved in an accident was driven by the medical director himself and has since been repaired under insurance by SIC. The hospital says it is ready to sue on the matter. Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asaredonko, Kumasi.